There are some wildlife photography moments which remains permanently etched in your mind. It may not be something unusual or very dramatic, but witnessing that natural history moment is in itself a gift. The lioness was on hunt. She looked determined from her body language. The moment of excitement arose when she passed between our two vehicles carrying my guests. To be able to film her with my company logo on the Land Cruiser was an exciting moment. She kept on moving. She was looking for a perfect target. Maybe a baby wildebeest or an injured one. The entire herd of wildebeest was alerted by now, and it became increasingly evident that she is going to fail in her attempt. But somehow, hunger within herself kept her moving. After a while, she was joined by her sister, probably more mature and more experienced. Sensing the situation, she diverted her to take rest in the nearby bush. Although not eventful, but if you simply enjoy such quiet moments, you are a true wildlife lover.